celebrator, Ma'am Perlita Berriuso Siasico, escorted by Mr. Roger D. Berriuso and CNJ A. Siasico. Okay, music please. Okay. Once again, please welcome the grand entrance of our celebrator, Ma'am Bernie together with her escorts. Ilan ay magpapakalawa ng celebrator? Yes. Another round, please. Wow! And pakpak po mo! This is what really celebrated. See the birthday celebrator, Ma'am Bernie, as she is unknown by her friends and loved ones. Look at her! Oh yes, the reverse pag yun sa kalaw. Yes, despite of ages, she still wears that pretty smile and simple, yet elegantly beautiful. Once again, masipagpagpag sa ato ang 80th birthday celebrator, Ma'am Bernie Berriuso Siasico. Well, as our celebrator is formally settled sa iyang dinarian, okay? So I would like to request everyone to once again settle down to their respective seats as we are to start the next part of our program. Isipang tanan ko ha.